Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Now select Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. After that, just click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, remember to disable this one by tapping on this switcher at the top. Then click on the back button. Choose Add Service and download the best one from the list of available ones, like HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!